Good morning, peeps. Welcome to another episode of Fisherman Life. Hope you all have had a brilliant Christmas, and at the moment we're obviously in between Christmas and New Year. Today we're off to Mangerton Fishery in Piemore, right next door to Bridport. So tune in, stay put, get a cup of tea on, and I'll meet you guys in a minute on the bank. Welcome to Mangerton Fishing Lakes in the little self-serve signing in office. So there we go. Here's a little bit about the lodges. Opening times, tickets, etc. There's your safe where you put your money. And then you just throw your ticket in. And yeah, crack on with your fishing. Okay guys, welcome to Mangerton Coarse Fishery. Absolutely beautiful place, and it's even got little pods, glamping areas, tiny houses. You can rent it all and have your beautiful holiday with these surroundings. Well guys, welcome to this absolutely beautiful place known as Mangerton Fishery, just out of Piemore, right on the outskirts of Dorset, right in the valley here. I've even got the lake to me own today. Today, I'm over here and I'm going to be fishing these snags just behind this tree. I'm going to have a float out in front of me, that beautiful scenery. I can't really ask for anything more. Family have disappeared for a couple of days, which means I've got 2 days of solid fishing. I'm only here today on a day ticket, but please sit down, grab yourself a cup of tea, and hopefully we'll try and enjoy this one and get some good fish on the bank. There's some monster perch in there. So straight away this fallen trees grab my attention. That is going to be my target today. I'm going to have a little lead, flick it down under the branches there with some worm, chopped up worm, red maggots, maybe a bit of worm extract if you like, and then straight out there, and fish a maggot, see whatever we can catch. Also got sweet corn. There's a good head of carp in here. Apparently they get a 30. I've never seen one, but I've had one pushing 20. A lot of common carp in there, quite a few mirror carp. I believe there's tension here, but I've not personally had one. There's massive perch, like I said, eels, big red, roach. There goes, fish jumping now there. Brilliant. Look at the state of this. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to start. Right, I'm gonna get it set up and I'll catch you guys up again in a minute. Okay guys, we're fishing. Let's see how we get on today. Fingers crossed. Get some lovely rudd out today, maybe a nice bonus perch from the edge. Got Mr. Robin down here by my feet nicking me maggots. I wonder if he land on me rod if I chuck it there. Let's chuck some maggots down there and see what he does. It's the first time I fish this place since they've had all the new additions, like all the pod, the toilet facilities and everything else. That is all new. Well, I say new to me, but I've probably not fished here for probably a couple of years, but I used to live here basically, constantly. More so for the carp fishing bread off the top, because that was always good fun. You can come down here and get 20 carp in an evening. Great with the kids. But yeah, today all about the silvers, as is most of my winter fishing. Here comes Mr. Robin. Is he going to land on me rod or not? Might have a little cheeky Robin shot on the rod. Down there on the deck gobbling up bugs at the moment. What a beautiful place to fish. And I'm lucky enough to have this pretty much on my doorstep. Lovely and still today as well, which is amazing. No wind. We're right in the valley as well, so when it does blow through. But today we're lucky. So yeah, to my left, or right in front of you guys, we can see that little bird housey thing in the water there. Sort of, I don't know, 20 metres to the left of that there's a sunken island, and during the summer that's fantastic for carp fishing. You flick a bait over the top of that and it's just one after the other, and then it falls away on both sides, and then there's another one slightly down to the left, like, you know, further on down the lake. So yeah, fishing from that opposite bank across here, probably, I don't know, if you're on that bank and you fished 20 metres out, you'd be probably right on top of the sunken island. So I'm using the Maver Reality Evo 11-foot match rod again today. I keep saying 10-foot in my other videos, but it's actually an 11-foot. And I'm also using my Garbellino Silver Bullet bomb rod with a medium tip in it, which is still light. It's probably only about an ounce and a half. Okay guys, so I just moved swims. So instead of well, the tree I was fishing, I'm basically fishing the opposite side of that in the next swim. So I've moved over to the left-hand side, if you like, towards the deeper end of the lake. So still got a bond rod under the tree, but on the opposite side. We're in public carp. Let's have a look. If that's not a carp, I'll be amazed. Because he's pulling well. What we got here then? Got a bit of carp, surely. Common. There we go. Hey guys, and welcome to day 2 at Mangerton Mill. So I've just got again this morning after I had one carp yesterday, but it was pretty quiet to be honest. So back again today to film the second part because I've got a bit of time on my own. And all I'm going to do before I start is cut up some dendrobenas with a bit of what do you call it? With a bit of liquid worm. I'm going to snip them into tiny little bits, and then chuck some maggots into that. And then where I'm fishing the deep part of the lake now, so I'm fishing in the corner. And then on both rods, we are fishing feeder today. So we've got 2 bomb rods, no float today. And my right hand lighter rod, I'm going to fish right down against this far bank, right in the died back, the weeds where they died back, hoping for Mr. Perch today. And then the left hand rod, that's going to be for anything. It's geared up to catch a carp, just in case. But we'll take anything. I've got a tiny hair rig on that one, size 10 barbless hook. And then in here, I've got some glugged up 10 millers. And they are, I think they were the Atlantic tuna, but they're actually glugged with liquid worm, some tuna glug, and actually some DNA, the bug glug in there as well, so there's a bit of everything in there. so they're in there all soaking. Yeah, I'm fishing for the cut for the boilie, I'm fishing 8-pound suplex to a size 10 barbless, like I said, and that's coming off me main line. And the other ledger rod is exactly the same as it was yesterday. Basically, the only difference is the hook links are 3.3 pound bottom with a size 12 up. I'm going to fish worm on that one and see how we get on. So I'm going to get this out on the spot, and then we get these baited up and thrown out. So the lighter rig, maggot feeder, 3.3 bottom, about 12 inches. Then we've got a dendrobina tipped to a white maggot, and I'm going to get this out just in the margin. Right, so he's on the spot. Just put a slight little curve in that tip. And then, like I said on the heavy rod, swim feeder again, running lead, bead, Drennan running ring. Probably a foot length of 8-pound suplex fluoro, size 10 barbless, and obviously loop for me boilie. And that's all going to be done on that one. So let's get that on. I've also got some robin red pellets. So they're obviously going to be available to try as well. But first of all, we're going to stick with these, see how we get on. Don't know how well these will stay on. But I expect, yuck, tastes disgusting. I expect I'll be bringing them in and checking occasionally anyway, or quite often. So there we go. I could tip that with something. I think that'll do the job. And then again, just maggots on the top. What other baits have we got here? So I've got some pellet. Like I said, I've got robin red pellet. I've got some hookable little krill pellets. I've also got sweet corn, hemp. So we've got a bit of everything today. And this one I'm just going to put into open water. I'm not going to fish far out with it. Ooh, my tip's spun round in there, look. That's the one. Right. We're fishing. I'll put my clutch on that one just in case. Hook a big carp on it, it's going to be fun as it is. So yeah, that's me boilies. Super glugged up, little 10 millers. Alright, let's have a little organised and a little tidy up. Get me unhooking kit out. And me good old propolis. Set of forceps out. That should do it. And then this can go away for a little bit, I reckon. Under there. Alright, let's get comfortable, see what happens. have a little cut. There we go. There we go. Little mirror. Sorry, little common letter. Happy days. Right, let's get him back. Look at the tail on him. Look at the colours in that tail. Beautiful. Hey guys, I've got another one on, but I was just changing the camera batteries. So you're on my chair at the moment. Seems we found a spot for the mirrors on the right bait. I say mirror, I keep saying mirrors. Spots for the commons. Right, let's get you guys up on our stand a minute. Bear with me. Right, here we go again. Another lovely common. Seems to be all about the carp today, but there we go. Beautiful, pristine common carp from Mangerton Valley Coarse fishery. Let's get him back. Right, so I made a couple of changes to the rig. It's my normal run and swim feeder, but I've got like a really light braid hook link, size 10 hook on there, and then we're fishing a tuna boilie, which has been glugged in liquid for weeks. Guys, I think this session's done. So I'm going to call it a day, but I hope you really enjoyed this session at Mangerton Valley Coarse Fishery. Didn't bag up, but it's the way it is. It's quite a deep water, and it doesn't seem to be just like me struggling. There's one bloke that's had a few out on the pole, but everyone else fishing on the float, and that seems to be struggling too. So that's fishing again, like we always say. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this film. I'll leave all the descriptions All the links to this place in the description if you're interested. The address, who to get hold of, etc, etc, should you wish to book it up. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this film. Please do consider subscribing. Tight lines, enjoy your angling, and I'll catch you again soon on the bank, guys.